Alright, and then got another bag for motor mounts.
Yeah.
Are they different on both sides? They're different length, right?
They're pretty much all the same bolts.
Yeah, they look all the same.
They're different length though. Does it
I
matter?
think they're all the same length. One of them is like different.
This one's different.
Actually, yeah, let's do intake and exhaust. Yeah, we'll do intake.
What do you mean?
But this side is intake mounts. And do exhaust.
Motor mounts?
Yeah, exhaust motor mounts, intake motor mounts. Just made a stop. Got that whole setup in the trunk.
How do you not have the most basic donuts?
For real. How do you run out of that shit?
Because they're probably fucking lazy and they sold out of them this morning. They're like, fuck it, boy, I don't want to make no more donuts. Fuck that bullshit, boy. And nobody's actually like good enough to go online and rate the shit out of them and tell everybody that it's a shitty Dunkin' Donuts. So of course Dunkin' Donuts is not going to do anything to actually fix it. Because they're good.
Got machine shop prep.
So this is the
Now we ready for the machine shop. Damn, what the hell they do to this chocolate frosted one?
Fucking spit on.
What is this? No construction and all the lanes are blocked. What is happening? What is this?
Wait, what?
They're probably doing like a 200-mile-per-hour speed run in a new like Hellcat or some shit.
That's what Curry 4
That's it. That's it. Okay.
50, 40. Oh shit, guys.
And we pull up to this random sketchy warehouse. What we got here? Yeah, pull up in there. Pull up in there.
But what if is there stuff? Wear your respirator hard hat area.
Oh, yeah. Better not have the outside air going on. Better not have that outside air going on there.
The lights are on.
Oh, maybe you shouldn't be here. There's someone here, yeah.
Oh, yeah, back up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's on here?
Yeah.
To your right.
Black iron ox. I think he's looking at us like we're fucking retarded. I told you guys.
Alright guys, so we're back. And basically what we've done so far with the engine build is we got the pistons, we got the rings, and we've checked the ring gap. We've adjusted the ring gap for the rings and we've put them on the respective piston. Here we have the pistons, rings already installed. They're ready to go inside the engine. But first, I do have to install the crank and the main bearings, and also the rod bearings. And that's what we're going to start doing today. So we've cleaned the engine out and wrapped it just so it doesn't get any lint or anything on it. And we did each cylinder individually, kept the other ones all wrapped up just so it would stay clean. And yeah, we're ready to put on some main bearings and install the crank. Alright, so we're going to start assembling the engine, beginning with cleaning of the crank.
Do they have a specific cylinder one, or is it just whatever?
I don't think so.
Alright. Have you sprayed the oil galleries for the piston oil squirters?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Oh yeah, alright.
Allure, are you trying to get some large max?
Some large max?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold up. Yo, we actually got us sides of fucking Big Mac sauce. Like we asked them for like just sides of Big Mac sauce, and they
Don't they
actually
have
did
like
it.
sriracha Big Mac sauce?
No, yeah, but that's bullshit. That's it's not good. It's not real Big
not
Mac
good.
sauce. Yeah, it doesn't have the little stuff in it.
Yeah.
So yeah, we actually got just sides of Big Mac sauce. It's so lit.
You put it with like nuggets or something?
Yeah,
You with the nuggets?
and fries and shit. Yeah. That's the right way, right? It's facing this way, the numbers.
Yeah. If you just hold it, I'll tap it in. If you just hold it, I'll tap it in. Okay.
Got it.
It's going like this with the zeros up.
Doesn't matter. Just gotta get the mains in.
Because it means like straight.
Pull it, I gotta pull it. There we go.
Okay.
Yeah, now. Where are you binding? Thrust bearings, dude. Pull out. Slowly.
Forward.
Alright.
See it?
Thrust bearings are flat.
That looks a little.
There we go. Spin it to make sure it's good.
Space slowly.
Yeah, this is good.
Oh,
Yeah,
no. That's me.
Yeah. Holy fuck.
That's when you come up recently. Where do you think you see
No,
it?
just roll it around. You can roll it around. What is this from? It's probably the hole in the crank. I'll shoot this one right here.
Okay. I push it back and forth.
Yeah, just tap.
Okay.
Oh, see, yeah, that's good. It was wobbling so much before because the thrust bearing was out of place. Yeah, now it's.
Just a little bit of play.
Yeah, that's good.
Does it matter which way it is when you?
Well, I mean, technically, you're supposed to put a dial indicator and measure how much, but it's probably good.
Okay.
Just don't fucking clutch throttle all the time.
Okay. And that doesn't matter like if it's preset which way when I bolt everything down and stuff, or like, is it supposed to always be moving?
It's always like.
So it doesn't really matter like which way I do it.
What do you mean?
Like you know how you can like move it back or forward?
Yeah.
Should I have it back or forward when
For
I,
what?
Or put everything together?
Kind of in the middle, it doesn't matter. Like, middle, really.
Okay.
Like, try to. Yeah.
So now we got crease of the other thrust washer. Should put that shit in first.
Make sure this is very good.
I mean, once you put the cap down,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
will spin. So I think we should do that one first, right? I mean, let's lay them all in and torque them down.
Yeah. Alright.
Shit's in first.
Let's do 3 first with the thrust bearing because it's annoying. Once it's
Yeah,
locked in,
have
it's not. It's never going.
Assembly. Yeah, I mean, you just have to put them in first.
Hmm?
I have like the pattern for assembly.
Oh, really?
Yeah, right here.
Are you supposed to do 3 first or what?
Yeah.
3 first?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
3 and then 4 and then 2, 5, 1.
So yeah, it's pretty. They already know. Yeah, just get the 3 first. Lay this, grease this bitch, and then. Spin it back a little bit.
Does it matter what you spin it?
No, spin that way. I just want to get the camera out of it. Okay. Alright, stop. Spin back a little bit. Okay, yeah, that's flat. Just smack it. Yeah, they're both flat. Just smack it a few times out. Just for Alright, now just torque it down. Alright.
Should we do the other ones in first and then torque it down? It still adds a little bit of like pressure. I mean, every time I see people do engines, they're like, alright, just torque the shit out of the first one. It says to do.
Alright, yeah, hold up. Just finger tight for now. Alright, then we'll set all the other ones in. Like that. Alright, let's see. That one is.
I don't think it's really in yet. It's not that in yet.
Hold up. It's in and. Smack it a few more times if you want. I think it's in. It's grimy. Yeah. When they both can come off on